theGreenGirls.com.
So this is our update on our little friend. You can see all his feathers are almost complete, and it's a female because the males have a darker chest and a darker color. But you can see her beak is there's less of that yellow stuff, and she's real tamed. She still eats a lot more, but she doesn't make as much noise as when we first got her. She's scared when it's something like over her, big over her. But when she's out like this, she's like, you know, you gotta make that same noise, you know what I mean, so that she's familiar. She's all strong now, her feet strong. Fly, fly. Oh, there you go, exercise. She doesn't know how to fix her feathers yet. I think the mom does that. Hey, hey. And she should be ready to fly in a couple of days. Alright, so we had the bird for about 9 days, and he's ready to fly. He's been flying around the room. Every day he's like, it's harder to feed him. He's starting to get scared of people. So I think he's ready to go. See, he's all different now. His eyes are bigger. Yeah, it's cold now, huh? It's not all warm and toasty in the room. Where'd he go, Birdie? Where'd he go? Ah. There he goes. Free!
theGreenGirls.com.
Aw, little birdie. You smell like milk.